Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a long line in Microsoft Word using an easy method. This is an updated process for 2024 and I'll walk you through everything step by step. To start, open Microsoft Word and go to the document where you want to add a horizontal line. First, place your cursor where you want the line to appear. The line will be inserted directly above the cursor, so make sure you position it exactly where you need it. There are several quick shortcuts you can use to create different styles of lines. For a single solid line, press the hyphen key 3 times, then hit Enter. You'll see a solid horizontal line appear above your cursor. If you prefer a double line, place your cursor at the beginning of a new line, type the equal sign 3 times, and press Enter. This will create a double line that is slightly thicker than the single line. For a bolder solid line, use the underline key. Type 3 underlines, then press Enter. This will give you a thicker, solid line that stands out more on the page. If you want a dotted line, use the asterisk key. Type 3 asterisks and press Enter. You'll get a dotted horizontal line that can be useful for separating sections in your document. Now you know quick and easy shortcuts to insert different types of horizontal lines in your Word document. These shortcuts are simple and save you time, so you don't have to manually draw or adjust lines in your document. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free. So click the link in the description to sign up.